mind. Now I'm trapped inside a maze that never ends. I can't control these violent